Okay, so the third report, statement of cash flows. Many business owners never even look at this report, don't know what it is, but it's actually really important because it answers some questions that we get all the time from business owners. One would be, we're profitable, so why does cash still feel tight? Or according to the profit and loss, I made $30,000, but I don't have any money in my bank account. Where is it all going? Not everything that you spend cash on and that goes out of your business is on the profit and loss. So that's where the statement of cash flows comes in, is to explain where your cash went outside of the profit and loss. So the first number here is the net income. This is what your profit and loss says you actually made. It says you made $40,000, but you don't have $40,000 in your bank account. Why not? So this is what the answer is. First is timing differences. Maybe you have a bill or invoices booked that you haven't received payment on, or you haven't actually paid yet. Those are timing differences that are reflected here. The next thing would be non-cash adjustments. For instance, we book depreciation on assets according to either tax basis or book depreciation. That's an expense that's on your profit and loss, but there's no cash that actually left your bank account. So that's a non-cash adjustment. Another one would be prepaid expenses or accrued expenses, where cash was already went out in a previous period or will go out in a future period but hasn't actually left or come into your bank account yet. Same with accrued income. The next thing that won't be reflected on your profit and loss is debt and loans. So if you paid more on your credit card, or you have liabilities or loans that you had to paid back or took out, those things are going to be reflected here as well. And then finally, contributions and distributions. The money that you as an owner or partner took out of your business or put into your business is reflected on your statement of cash flows as well. So the statement of cash flows should help you answer, is my business actually generating cash, which is very important, as we discussed in the last video about the balance sheet, and two, where is my cash actually going? Why does this number, my net income, not match the number that's actually in my bank account? I had to go back and insert this. I forgot to mention assets. So also assets will be reflected here. If you purchased any assets during that period, that wouldn't be on your profit and loss. So that amount of money that you paid for that asset will also be reflected on your statement of cash flows as well.